Morning, let's go through the quizzes. So, number one, look at the chat. We have solids, liquid, and gases. Falling is example of a solid thing. Air is example of gas, and the example of liquid will be water in this list. Next question. Which matter takes the shape of its container? It happens only with two types of matter, water and gases. We can see it when we pour water in different containers, in bottles, in cups, or when we can blow balloons, long ones or round ones. So the right variant is liquids and gases, C. Question number 3. Which object is made of both a solid and a gas? Out of all of them, it is a balloon because it has a solid base balloon and gas inside. Look at the object. One of the object is made both of a solid and a liquid. The answer is B, a glass, because it is made of solid glass and water inside. Let's have a look at quiz number 2. Here we can see a scale and two fruit, an apple and an orange. When we talk about how heavy, when we talk that the orange is heavier than the apple, so the picture which we discuss here is weight. The same fruit, but the apple feels very smooth and the orange feels rough. When we talk about being rough or being smooth, we discuss texture. Right variant is A. What kind of object which will most likely float? If we have something filled with sand, it's very heavy, it will sink. Something made of metal is also heavy, it will sink. Heavy object also sink. The only objects which do not sink are those filled with air. You stretch a rubber band to see if it can bend. The object, if the object can bend, it is very flexible. So by bending, we check if the object is flexible. We check flexibility, variant C. And let's have a look at quiz number 3. Here we can see a picture of a canoe. The best material for the canoe is wood, because wood is very light and wood floats. So number 1 is variant C. Select the sentence which provide evidence that the canoe is solid. We know about solid things that they have their own shape and they have weight. So answer A must be the right one. A canoe must have its own shape. If we look at the picture of a house, the question is, why is glass a good choice for making a window? Because we can see for it and it gives us light. Which statement is true of solids? We do not need solids, it's wrong. We use solids everywhere. We can't measure them. We can take a ruler and measure every solid, its sizes, width, length, and so on. Solids take the shape of the container is wrong, because it's true only about gases and liquids. Solids come in many shapes, sizes, and material. This variant is true. We discussed shapes like triangles, rectangles, squares. We discussed sizes, big or small objects, and we discussed materials, wood, concrete, and so on. So answer D is right.